Hi there and welcome to TechPlower. I have here the iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium and it's the 256GB model. Let's take a look at the box and also look at what's inside the box. So in front here we have a picture of the iPhone itself. It's the front of the phone this time around. On this side we simply have iPhone, the same on the other side, the Apple logo on this side and Apple logo on this side as well. Really simple. And on the back here we have all kinds of information about the phone. We see that it's the iPhone 15 Pro, and down here somewhere in small letters we should be able to see that it's the blue titanium 256GB model. And that's it for the box. But of course we have to look inside. This time around we don't even need an unboxing knife, because we have these nice pull tabs here that we can use. So let's do that. And at the bottom here as well. Put that to the side and turn the box around for the big reveal. Let's see. Ta-da! It's the iPhone 15 Pro in blue titanium. And let's smell the box. Yeah, it's the typical Apple smell. There's of course space for the camera hump in the box lid, but let's put the box lid to the side and look at the phone itself. We have this nice pull tab here and this gorgeous color, blue titanium. Whoa, and the iPhone is actually lighter than my iPhone 12 Pro. And if we put the phone to the side for a bit, we can see what's inside. Now we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Yeah, no more lightning. Goodbye lightning connector. And here we also have some documentation, like usual with iPhones. SIM ejector tool. Yeah, here in Europe we still have the SIM tray. Here we have some more information, probably in different languages. And then of course we have the stickers. We always have to get the stickers, but they're not color coded with the color of the phone, only in white. So let's put that to the side, and the cable, and there's nothing else left in the box. So let's just look at what we all came here for, the phone itself, and take the wrapping off for the first time. Looking the cleanest that it will ever be. This is a gorgeous color. Here on the side we have the volume down and volume up button, and now we don't have the mute switch. We have the action button. And of course on the bottom here we no longer have the lightning connector, we have the USB Type-C connector. And then of course we have the microphone and speaker down here as well, as usual. And the cameras are in similar size as iPhone 14 Pro, but of course much larger than my iPhone 12 Pro. On the top here there is nothing, just some antenna lines. And on this side we have the power button, and the SIM tray is on this side, if you can see it. Looking really good. I'm really liking this blue titanium. And the titanium feels really smooth. And of course the corners here on the phone are now smooth, not sharp as on my iPhone 12 Pro. So if you simply turn it on for the first time, let's see if we have some juice. Yeah, we see the Apple logo. And it should turn on in just a few seconds. There we go. Hello from Apple. And of course, on the iPhone 15 Pro, we now have the dynamic island as we had on the iPhone 14 Pros last year. But this year around, we also have the dynamic island on the iPhone 15s. So it will be really exciting to try the dynamic island out, since on my iPhone 12 Pro, I don't have that. So that was my unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro in this beautiful blue titanium color. And I really hope you liked this unboxing video, because I really liked making it. And if you like the content of my channel, please consider subscribing, because it really helps my channel grow. See you in my next video.